art is a form of expression. It is also a form of your personality. I feel like art is who you are as a person, and it comes across in many different ways.
Whether it's the way you live, whether it's the way you talk, whether it's the clothes you wear. So art is an intrinsic part of everything that's beautiful.
When you're sitting in the lawns, there are a lot of these murals. That's a different kind of art. When you enter and you see the Ravan, being pulled up into heaven or hell, that's a different kind of art.
Ravan's parting gifts to this world are two. One, his kingdom called Sri Lanka, and two, Udaan. Would you like to join him for a ride in his hot air balloon with his pilot called Yamaraj? Call it a concept villa, a dinky hotel, or a swanky holiday home. Udaan will always import a smile on your lips. The aesthetics, the atmosphere, the art, the colors, the comfort will make you want to go back again and again to keep flying in your favorite haunt, Udaan. So to make a booking or to inquire, call 98202 04355 or 99300 042 89. If you like, you can log on to thesutragreatescapes.com.